Hi, I'm Jay Fithadell with Battle Arms, and this is Battle Arms University. Today in this multi-part video series, I'm going to show you how to build a complete rifle using our BAD 5.56 lightweight set and all of our enhanced components. To start, you're going to need a few tools. One of the main components for any build is going to be a vise, some gum grease, parallel jaw pliers, a roll pin starter punch, a 1/8 Allen key wrench, a 7/64 Allen key wrench, a 1/16 Allen key wrench, and a .05 Allen key wrench, a T10 Torx wrench, a reaction rod, a magwell block, some wire cutters. You'll definitely want to have a pair of safety glasses, some non-permanent thread locker, and an anti-seize compound. You may want to use some type of gloves to keep any of these chemicals from getting on your hands. The components that you will need, starting with the lower receiver, will be first the BAD 5.56 lower receiver, our BAD 5.56 upper receiver. You'll need a receiver extension. This is our saber tube. A buttstock. This attaches directly to the end of our saber tube. This is our BAD light buttstock system. A pistol grip. This is our BAD adjustable 3-position pistol grip. A recoil spring and buffer assembly. Today for our trigger, we will be installing a CMC 3.5 pound single stage. This particular trigger comes with its own trigger pins, which are anti-roll and they are captive. So it comes with both the pins and the screws to retain them. The small components for the lower receiver, you will need a pivot pin, a takedown pin, a pivot and takedown pin spring, so you will need two, as well as two pivot and takedown spring detents. You will need a bolt stop. This is our BAD enhanced bolt stop. The pin for the bolt stop is unique to the lower receiver. It does not require being pressed into the receiver. It is actually threaded, which makes installation much easier. We will be using our Badass short throw safety with our standard and short levers, a safety detent and a safety spring. This is our buffer retainer and our buffer retainer spring, our bolt catch detent and our bolt catch spring, a magazine catch assembly, magazine catch spring, and for this installation we'll be using our BAD EMMR or Enhanced Modular Magazine Release with the extended large paddle. For the upper receiver, we will be showing how to install the dust cover assembly. So you will need the port door, the pin or the hinge, the spring, and a small C-clip. We will be doing a 16-inch rifle build. This is our BAD 16-inch light rigid profile. It is fluted. It uses a 625 inch in diameter gas block and a mid-length gas system. And so for that you will need a mid-length gas tube. The gas block we will be using is our BAD .625 inch gas block. It is made out of titanium and it also comes supplied with the roll pin necessary to retain your gas tube. Our bolt carrier will be our standard Battle Arms M16 profile bolt carrier group. It is magnetic particle inspected on the bolt, made from 9310 steel. It is a full M16 profile. It does feature the proper staking on the gas key. It is finished in a black nitride. And finally, for our handguard assembly, we'll be using the Battle Arms Edition Fortis switch rail, which also comes supplied with its own barrel nut. And now that you know everything that you need, let's get started and build this rifle.